Stock investing for beginners. Stock markets are crashing today. Why? How far could they go down? I'm going to tell you 5 strategies that you can use to profit from this stock market crash. Today S&P 500 is down 1.38%. Nasdaq is down 2.17%. Dow Jones is down 0.98%. It's very rare that stock markets are down over 2%. You don't see it every day. So you might be thinking everybody loses money, right, when the stock markets are crashing. No. Today I made over $466 in one day. Why did the stock market crash? Fitch rating agency Fitch downgrades US downturn rating to AA plus from AAA. So US used to have AAA for a long time. So for the first time in history, Fitch downgrades rating. So why did they downgrade US debt? It's mainly because of political, physical, and debt matters. As you already know, US has 2 main political parties, Republicans and Democrats. They have been always fighting over debt ceiling. It has been a few times already. So in Fitch credit rating agency view, you know what, there could be wars. And the White House disagree with Fitch downgrade. Of course, your US right now is having a really great economy right now, and President Joe Biden, he has delivered the strongest recovery of any major economy in the world. You might ask me, Rich, it's a bull market, right? So why did the stock market go down? Like I said before, in these videos, you need to be prepared for stock market correction anytime. I talk about 5 strategies for stock market correction in this video. I also talk about US going bankrupt. I predicted that once credit rating agency downgrades US debt, stock markets could go down. Fitch considered US rating downgrade. It was talked about it before in May 30th, 2023. I talk about that. And also, when everybody is talking about bull market, it's time for the stock markets to go down. When everybody is so afraid it's bear market, it's time for the stock markets to recover. Remember, stock markets behave in a way most people do not expect. That's why we call it stock markets. You can watch this video on June 14, 2023. At the end of this video, you can go back and watch this video. So how far could stock markets go down? Let's look at the chart. S&P 500, this is Bollinger Band, this is upper limit, and this is lower limit. Usually stock move within the limit. You see at the top, then go back down, and now it's at the middle. So in the next 2 or 3 days, if it bounce, let's say stock markets recover, we're gonna have 2-3 up days, then this could just be just one day. What if stock markets go down and it doesn't go back up in the next 2 or 3 days? And we might be seeing the stock market could go down to 4,400 S&P 500, because that's the lower limit of the Bollinger Band. Remember, stock markets never go up straight. It has to come down at some point. Then when it comes down enough, it just bounces back up again. And likewise, stock market could never go down straight. It goes down, then bounce back. When it reaches the top, come back down again, then go up again. But we are in a bull market, so that means any dip in the stock market is an opportunity to add share for the great companies that we like. So what are 5 strategies that you can do to profit from this stock market crash or correction or pullback? What is a pullback? Once stock market goes down up to 9.99%, we call it pullback. When it goes down 10% or more, we call it correction. When it goes down 20% or more, we call it a crash. So right now, I think a pullback or a correction is possible. A crash, I don't think so, but anything is possible. Most likely, it's not a crash. It could just be a pullback, or at worst, a correction. Strategy number 5: sell the call options that you bought. If you have bought any call options, then you might want to think about selling. When this pullback lasts longer, your call option is gonna lose value much more. So sell any call options that you have, take profits. You can always get back in later. Remember, you can always get back in later and take profits. And strategy number 4, buy put option. If you think the stock market could go down further, you can buy put options on the stocks or S&P 500 or Nasdaq. And especially when the stock is very volatile, and you see a stock has been going up quite a lot, and it could go back down as fast as it went back up. Remember, you can use put options. Strategy number 3, dollar cost averaging, DCA. You can buy the companies that you like. It has to be great companies. Do not buy into bad companies. It doesn't matter, no matter how cheap the stock is, how low the price. It's only $5. $5 can become $2. Remember, always look at the value. Do not look at the price. The price is what you pay. The value is what you get. For example, Google is $120 stocks. It doesn't matter. If it's a great company, you can buy. So I always dollar cost average once a week or once a month into companies that I like. That's what you can do as well. This is not a financial advice. I'm just telling you what I do. You can follow me if you want. And strategy number 2, you can use advanced option. What are advanced options? You can sell put options. When stock markets are crashing, you get higher premium on the put options. So selling put option is one of the advanced strategies. So if you use advanced options, you can profit from any market condition. Market goes up, you can stay make profits. When the market goes down, you can stay make profits. When markets are going nowhere, you can stay make profits. That's why I like advanced option. And strategy number 1 is very, very important. Do nothing. If you don't know what to do, just do nothing. A lot of people loses money because they buy the stocks that they do not understand, and they sell great companies at a very, very cheap price. When bear market came, a lot of people sold really, really great companies at a very, very discount price. Can you believe that? Remember, if you don't understand, study, learn about stock investing, option trading, advanced options, call options, put options. Study first before you do anything. The best way, if you don't understand at all, just do nothing. Just buy into S&P 500, index funds, and DCA every week, every month. Then just do nothing. When the stock markets crash, do not do anything. No, just travel, whatever you like. If you are just starting out, you can open a stock accounts. The link is gonna be in the description down below. Like, share, subscribe. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now. If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist. Stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.